Hey guys, I've been having a bit of an issue with my DREAME L50 Ultra, and I want to show you exactly what it was. So it was leaving like dust bunnies on the floor, and I didn't even know that this contraption existed, or this compartment. And you can see right here is clogged. So this is basically what the vacuum sucks into, and then this is supposed to exhaust into the actual main unit that holds all the bad stuff. But it's getting clogged in here with hair. So the good news is it's easy enough to empty. You just lift this clasp right here. It is pretty hard. And then you can go in here and kind of pull this out. But I mean, look how much hair this thing is pulling off our floor. Give this side a little push, and then you can get the rest of it out right here and kind of shake out the rest. So this thing is really doing very good in vacuum mode. I also like to bump this out a couple times. Check it out, guys.